married, or are you getting married really soon? Then we've got something this Saturday just for you. It's the marriage course, and it's running from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. upstairs in the People's Centre. So if you want to start your marriage in a great way, or you want to improve your marriage, then please get yourself here to the marriage course. You need to sign up today by either seeing Heather or going on to Exchange and signing up for the marriage course. Gentlemen, listen up, because this one is for you. On the 21st of July is our next Courageous Men's event. Starting at 6 p.m, you're going to have pizza, you're going to have a film, there's going to be fun and games as well. Get yourself your tickets today for just £7, and you can get those from our website or from Exchange or from Dan as well. So that's the 21st of July is our next Courageous Men's event. Ladies, we've got some exciting news for you. Our next Devoted Conference is going to be on the 20th of October, and we've got a special guest, Denise from Hope Church in Newtown, joining us, as well as our very own Heather, Chippo and Ada, who will be bringing messages at the conference. You can get your tickets today by Exchange, and the ticket price is just £20, which includes your lunch and your refreshments as well. It's going to be an awesome day, so get yourself booked in and book in some friends and family as well. Why not? We had a great time at Kefenley earlier this year for our church weekend away, and it's been such a success that we're doing it again next year. So the dates for your diary are the 31st of May to the 2nd of June. You can pick yourself up a booking form today and get yourself booked in for our next church weekend away. That's everything we've got for you in XL News this week. Remember, you can check out our website for full details about everything that is going on here and to sign up for any of our events as well. We hope you have a fantastic week. Enjoy the sunshine, and we'll see you back next week for more XL News.